Alright, the next stage was research and planning. We first looked at cognitive skills. This looked at the location, so we had to think about the locations of where we were going to film, think about whether we needed permission to film at these locations or not. This also brought about the time involved, so whether the actors and the film crew had enough time to actually film on the dates, which brings the next point, which was the dates. We had to make sure the dates were all booked in for the equipment to be used and etc. We also had to think about the target audience and who we were aiming the opening sequence to. The next part was technical skills for research and planning. We looked at other films in our genre, such as Adulthood, Football Factory, and we looked at their opening sequences and took down notes. We also used the internet to gain information. Went on websites such as YouTube to actually watch the clips, such as Adulthood and Football Factory. We also used DVDs to watch some of the films in our genres, and we also read newspapers, which helped us think about the opening sequence and how we're going to set it out. The next stage was interpersonal skills. Once again, we used the internet for this. This was enabling us to keep in touch, so we could use Facebook, YouTube, like the digital technology. We also thought about possible ideas in the research and planning. We took down a few notes, had a few group discussions. Involved in these group discussions was the genre, props, characters and shot sizes, many more things we talked about, and in the end we came up with a final opening sequence which was called Brittle.